I tell you, if you are completely devoted, how will you feel comfortable? I know I am throwing bomb into many families, but I have to tell some of the spiritual truths. If I hide, I will also allow the poverty of Hinduism. Unless lakhs of sannyasis are created, thousands of enlightened will not be created. Unless thousands of enlightened doesn't happen, hundreds of incarnations won't flower. Unless hundreds of incarnations flower, one or two avataris don't flower. It is the number of people who try that decides number of people win. It is so practical. I am really strong about this necessity for brahmacharya, celibacy, for seeker to get enlightened. The most practical spiritual instruction I can give is brahmacharya. Takes away millions of sufferings. And not only that, even your consciousness. See, the more and more you feel you are married, you are committed to somebody, it is like a continuously cutting the wings of a bird. The more the bird grows, every 3 months, every 2 months, you cut the wings. You just clip the feathers. Will the bird be able to fly ever? It is clipping the feathers. Clipping the feathers is the most unfortunate thing can happen to a bird. Marriage is the most unfortunate thing can happen to a seeker. Seeker does not belong to human species. Seeker. Human beings are only potential of seekers. Seeker is reality started happening from the potentiality called human beings. And master is the realized of the potentiality of human beings. Most violent, most aggressive act your body can commit is sexual intercourse. It is not that every time you commit that act only the lust engrams are awakened, because it is so aggressive act. Your fear, greed, anger, hunger, thirst, laziness, all patterns are brought back to life intensely. It takes at least years for you to get back to the subdued states of patterns. I can clearly prioritize the levels of brahmacharya. Neither having a word, thought, or deed, or imagination, or idea of sexual intercourse in your waking state, dream state, and deep sleep state. Physically not having any intercourse or masturbation, but having wet dreams. If this is your level now, you can be trained through the proper tapas and the meditation process, kriyas. Physically not having intercourse with the other body, but still suffering with the habit of masturbation. Again, you can transcend and transform this habit through the proper kriyas and meditation. What do you call as so-called regular physical sexual life? Even when your body says enough, your mind is not saying enough. So taking tablets like Viagra and some medicines to instigate your body and agitate your body into the physical action. These are the worst things you can commit